How can I track my DHL package if I don't have a tracking number?
In this video, we will guide you on how to track your DHL package even if you don't have a tracking number. Follow these simple steps to get an update on your shipment status.
Can you track a DHL package without a tracking number?
Yes, it is possible to track your DHL package even if you don't have a tracking number. There are alternative ways you can use to track your shipment, such as using the reference number or contacting DHL customer support.
What is a reference number and how do I find it?
A reference number is a unique identifier that you or the sender can use to track the package. It can be found on the receipt or in the email confirmation sent by the sender or the online store where you made the purchase.
How to track your package using the reference number?
1. Go to the DHL tracking page on their website. 2. Enter your reference number in the search bar and click on Track. 3. You will see the status and details of your shipment. Note: make sure you enter the correct reference number to get accurate information.
What if I don't have a reference number either?
If you don't have a reference number or a tracking number, you can still track your DHL package by contacting DHL customer support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your shipment, such as the sender's and recipient's details, the date of the shipment, and the type of package.
How to contact DHL customer support?
You can reach out to DHL customer support through the following channels. Call their customer service hotline. Find the number for your country on the DHL website. Use the live chat option on the DHL website. Send them an email or fill out the contact form on their website. Remember to have all the necessary information about your shipment ready when contacting DHL customer support. Tracking your DHL package without a tracking number is possible, and we hope this video has provided you with helpful solutions. Remember to use your reference number or contact DHL customer support for assistance in tracking your shipment. Happy shipping!